Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this particular video, we are going to walk through how to open a futures trading account. All right. This is the very first step if you want to access the futures market and trade contracts on commodities, indices, currencies, and more. Okay, so let us start with the basics. All right, a futures trading account is a specialized account that allows you to participate in futures markets. Okay, futures contracts are agreements to buy or sell an asset at a future date and price. And your account with a broker is what gives you access to place those trades. Okay, so step one is choosing a regulated futures broker. All right. Not every broker offers futures trading, so you need to select one that specializes in futures. Okay, you need to select one that specializes in futures and is regulated by a recognized authority such as the CFTC, NFA, or equivalent in your region. All right. So we are seeing some examples here: Interactive Brokers, TradeStation, Ninja Trader, Webull Futures, E-Trade Futures, Charles Schwab Futures. So you can actually read reviews about some of these brokers and just do your due diligence, right? Make your own research. If you want to open a futures trading account, make your own research, and once you have concluded on the particular broker that you want to use, make sure that you are satisfied with what you find. Okay, make sure you're satisfied with whatever you find. Then you can proceed with opening the account. Okay, regulation ensures that your funds are protected and the broker follows strict standards. So that's why it's very necessary that you ensure that whatever broker you want to use, it should be regulated. All right. Then after you have selected the broker that you want to make use of, you just know that you will likely be asked to submit some documents. You have to pass through identity verification. As with most financial accounts, you'll need to provide government issued identification, proof of address, and sometimes additional documents. So this process is known as KYC, right? Or know your customer. Okay. So let's see. All right. So that ensures that your account is legally compliant. Okay. All right. So using Ninja Trader as an example, you can actually decide to use whichever one that you are comfortable with. All right. You do your due diligence, make your research, select a particular futures broker, and open an account. You go through the identity verification, supply the required documents required of you, and then once you're done with all that, ensure that you set up your account security. Once your futures trading account is approved, you should protect it with two-factor authentication, strong passwords, and secure login methods. Okay, since futures trading platforms hold sensitive information and access to your funds, taking security seriously is essential. All right, it's not even a case of negotiation. Okay, you need to take security very essential, right? So after you must have already signed up and done all those things you need to do, funding your account, of course, becomes the next thing, right? Once you are ready to actually start trading. So futures trading requires margin, which means you need to deposit an initial amount of money as collateral to open positions. The broker will specify the minimum deposit and margin requirements based on the contracts that you want to trade, right? So make sure you understand these requirements before transferring funds. Another important step is reviewing disclosures and agreements. All right, brokers provide detailed information about futures risks, trading rules, and margin policies. So reading and understanding these documents is crucial because it explains how your futures trading account operates and what responsibilities you have as a trader. Now, once your account is set up, verified, and funded, you are ready to log into the trading platform provided by your broker. So here you can view futures markets, analyze charts, and place your first trade. Okay, right. So that one is after you must have already gone through all the whole sign up processes and your accounts are ready, right? I mean, your account is ready. I mean, so once your account is ready, and then of course you you start trading after you must have funded your account, right? So remember, the account setup is only the beginning. Learning to manage risk and follow market structure is equally important. All right. It's one thing to fund your account, another thing to know how to trade, right? And how to trade profitably. So to recap, opening a futures trading account involves 5 main steps: choosing a regulated broker, completing the application, verifying your identity, securing your account, and funding it according to margin requirements. Following these steps ensures your account is ready to access future markets safely and effectively. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Forex and futures trading tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.